This is not how I wanted to start my Monday morning, but I literally came back from gym and then my friend texted me saying, oh, what do we have at 9:30? And I was like, what's at 9:30? And I completely didn't know. And then now I realized I have this talk at 9:30, so now I'm just rushing to school. Oh my gosh. The thing is, everything they send is so last minute. Like, they sent this email at like 7:30 in the morning. Who checks their email that early? It's just like literally 2 hours of notice ahead. Now I'm like, okay, I have to show up for this talk. Anyways, let's go to Bartlett. The sunshine's so nice. Spring is coming. As per usual, I'm just unpacking my things and getting ready for the day. And this week the focus was really on the crit on Friday, but also having tech clinics on Tuesdays and also having a tech tutorial on Thursday. So this week is pretty packed, but we're just going to go through the week and see how it goes. This is also the final tech lecture that we have of the whole module because 2 weeks later, it's Easter holidays, and we're going to be focusing on doing our tech report, so this is just the last lecture we have. Hi, so I'm in the Bartlett now. So on today's agenda, we have 2 clinics today. So right now it's 9:05 a.m. and I have a structural clinic at 9:30 and another environmental one at 11:30. So busy morning. And today's plan is to format my tech document. So let's go. I basically spend the most of my day just doing this axo drawing, which is going to be a presentational piece on the crit, just to show the tutors and critics what I've been experimenting and the ideas and kind of just conveying them through this drawing. Hi everyone! Just wanted to do a small update because it's kind of like middle of the week, so I thought it was nice to do a little checkup. So actually I realized I didn't say this, but yesterday after my 2 clinics, the structural one was a lot more helpful than the environmental one, because to be honest, my project's more focused on the structural side anyways. But yeah, some people find it to be completely useless, so they don't even show up to the clinics. I don't know if I can say this, but that's what happens. But I still feel like it's nice to, you know, just show up and like have a conversation. It doesn't really matter in the end. It's just like 30 minutes of your time. I mean, they don't really mark your work, the engineers, so it's fine just to hear what they have to say. But yeah, and currently I'm feeling okay for this week. I feel like there's gonna be stress coming, but I'm not feeling it fully yet because obviously tomorrow we have a tech tutorial where it's like the second last one. That's insane to think about. And then we have crit on Friday. So actually this week I've just been focusing on my axo drawing just to show this, like, I guess more of a presentable piece on Friday for the crit and show that. So my tutor named the crit on Friday "The People Deserve Beauty," as per the message here. But yeah, it's really funny. I just hope it all goes well, and I'm just gonna be spending more time on my drawing, and that's the plan. So let's get to work. So I put the caterpillar on the cup. I don't want it to die, so I'm gonna bring it downstairs. Hopefully it'll, yeah. Okay, now go back. Oh gosh. Don't die on me. You'll be fine. Okay, I'm gonna head back to studio. Right now, I am leaving the Bartlett and I am going to have dinner with my sister. But today's been a pretty slow day, I suppose, since I've just been drawing all day. I kind of slacked off towards the end of the day because I was just very tired. But yeah, I think it's raining a bit. I don't know how bad the rain is, but we'll see. Now, time to walk to the restaurant. Okay, so I'm writing Chris's card. This is the funniest thing ever. Like, if you put his faces in there. This is the funniest thing ever. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna write the card. So I got the presents wrapped. I'm like a day late, but like whatever. So today we are back in the Bartlett as per usual, and today we just have tech tutorials. I think it's the last tutorial before we go into Easter holidays, and yeah. Let's go. So that's the tech tutorial. Sorry that I'm secretly filming them, but that was what I was doing just now. So I just had my tech tutorial and actually went very, very well. I really liked the things that we outlined for the strategy of the project. The only thing being that like now I just again have a ton of stuff to do, but I feel a lot better having my tech tutor support, and yeah. Okay, Chris, here you go. Okay, here you go.
Sorry.
Wait, open the open the present.
Really? Okay.
Guess what it is. See if you can guess.
I bet it's cards, right? It's a card game.
Yeah.
Yeah. Table talk. Table conversation.
Yay!
Thank you, Glory.
You're welcome. Awesome. And then look at the. I want to know your reaction. I'm so excited to see your reaction to the cover.
I love this. I love
so proud.
Chris, show it
I don't know
the
how
camera.
to feel. Oh no! Oh god, I'm gonna have to get my glasses on.
So I didn't really update anyone about this, or I didn't update the vlog about this, but actually I feel very, very sickly right now. Like I have a stomach ache and then I have chills and it's just not going very well. So I think I'm just gonna go home and nap. But yeah, the year twos are working very hard. Actually, everyone in the studio is working very hard for tomorrow's crit. And I picked the day before the crit to be sick. So I don't know if that's good or not. At least I can thank my past self for like doing sufficient work, so I can just take the afternoon off. But it was really annoying because the scanner was broken. So I just took a photo of my drawing, so hopefully that's sufficient enough for tomorrow. Maybe I'll just wake up a bit early tomorrow morning to like lay my pages out and do a run through, but hopefully it should be all fine. And I'm gonna head home, so see you. I don't feel like eating or drinking anything. Just gonna go sleep. Okay, so I'm on my way home. Now that I think about it, I feel kind of annoyed and sad because like Literally when everyone's like grinding the hardest for crit tomorrow, I'm just going home to sleep and I feel like I'm missing out on time. But like, it's fine. I tell myself it's okay. You know, like, I did work. I got what I needed to do done, so it's fine. Look at the sun. I kind of just want to bathe in the sunshine. Hi everyone, it's Friday and today is crit day. So I woke up early today and I didn't go to the gym because I was just I didn't want to like overwork myself since I was like still kind of sickly from yesterday. I feel a bit better today though, so that's good. But right now it's 7:30 a.m. I woke up early and we're gonna go to studio because yesterday the scanner wasn't working, so hopefully it works this morning and then I could just do some run-throughs of my presentation for being under 5 minutes. So let's see how that goes. And I'll show you the message that was sent yesterday to our unit for the crit today. So this was the message. This is kind of like the running order in the morning and then afternoon, the guests, and of course I have to be the last one. It's so annoying because I don't want to be last, but then I have no excuse because we have to be there like the whole day anyways. So yeah, I have to be last. But it's good to listen to everyone's presentation, so I think it'll be great. So literally just now I was just like running through this PDF, but I think I'm good and I should hopefully be ready to go. And I'll see you at the crit. Everyone's in. Do you want to say hi? Everyone's in for the crit. Oh, Yen, say hi. Hello. Chris, hello. Reset up. Oh my gosh. Okay. I didn't know it was like that. So I think the crit started at around 9:30 a.m. but at this point everyone's just trickling in and some people are actually setting up their workstation at the back to do work while the crit is going on. So it was mostly year 2s in the beginning doing their crits, and then it became year 3 crits in the afternoon, and it was very nice to listen to everyone's projects and see how the year 2s come so far with their digital modeling. At this point it was my crit at around 5:30 p.m. and I just went through my portfolio and got some good feedback from the critics, and my mind was kind of blank, but it was fine. Wait, what?
Go on, Glory. Go on, Glory. Go.
Breathe it.
And kind of swallow the smoke.
What happened?
But no, you smoke like...
Yeah, you take a second breath in
Okay.
so that it goes down your lungs and destroys your body.
This is such a meme situation.
Hello. So I just headed out from pub and had a good time with my friends. And yeah, I think crit went quite alright actually. It was nice to listen to everyone's crits. And the critics gave me some nice info, I guess. I feel like, but I was just kind of blanked out on the spot. Like, you know, when you stand in front of a crowd, you just don't really know what you're talking about, or you don't really know what people are saying. They're just like yelling stuff at your face. But overall today was a good day. I think it was nice to listen to everyone's projects and I'm happy. It's around 8:30 a.m. and I'm here just outside doing some early morning weekend grocery shopping. Let's go. So I'm at Primark and I got some tights for my project. Hopefully this will come to use. It's really cheap. It's just £3 for 5. I got XL. Let's go. Amazing selection of veggies and lots of tofu. I'm really happy about that. Then I went into studio and actually worked in the Unit 12 space with Joy and just kind of laid out my tech pages for the hand-in on Monday, and it was just basically lots of reorganizing photos and just typing lots of text, so nothing that interesting here. Hi everyone, I'm so dead. So I'm gonna head home now because I have a stomach ache again. I feel like I've been having a constant stomach ache like since Thursday, and it's really annoying because I feel like my body's just screaming at me to take a break, but I just keep feeling like I need to do work, and it's so annoying because hand-in is on Monday, so I just feel like I have to keep doing work, but I think I just really need some rest. It's just so terrible. Like, why can't I just suck it up? But I guess I can't. So I'm gonna go home. I feel so unwell. I feel like I want to vomit. So I didn't really film today because I feel like I've just been doing my pages. So because tomorrow's submission, I've just been adding these labels and kind of just showing how I've done each test. So, you know, it's nothing really interesting. I've just been writing all day. But I have something really cool. So I took these photos where every week I show the growth, right? But I only started showing the growth for week 2 and 3, so I forgot to put the rulers for these ones. So I was like, maybe I should Photoshop them. So this was the original photo, and I managed to just Photoshop the ruler in. And it looks pretty legit, so I thought it was quite funny. But anyways, I'm gonna continue doing work now. So I guess basically Sunday is just a continuation of Saturday, where I'm just again laying out my pages and typing a bunch of text for the submission on Monday. But that was basically my Sunday and how I spent it, and especially because I was still feeling kind of sickly from the day before, I just spent my time at home and really just had a quote-unquote chill day. But it was a nice week, really packed, but lots of good fun and good times.